In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a hotel with booking.com. By the end, you'll be comfortable getting from the homepage to a tailored list of stays that match your destination and dates. First, open your web browser and head to the official booking.com website. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the familiar blue header and the large search box front and center. If you land on any promotional pages or ads, just make sure you're on the main site before moving on. A quick glance for the secure lock icon in your address bar is always a good idea. On the homepage, look for the destination field in the search box. Click into it to activate suggestions. Start typing the place you want to visit. This can be a city, a region, an island, or even a well-known landmark. As you type, a drop-down will appear with options that match what you're entering. Choose the most accurate match from that list so the site can line up properties in the correct area. If your destination has multiple neighborhoods or nearby towns, pick the one that best matches where you actually want to stay to avoid long commutes. Next, it's time to set your dates. Click the date section in the same search box to open the calendar. You'll see a side-by-side view of months with arrows to move forward and back if your trip is further out. Select your check-in date first by clicking the day you plan to arrive. Then click your check-out date. The system will highlight the range you've chosen so you can confirm it looks right. If a date is grayed out, that usually means it's unavailable, so try a nearby day. Keep in mind that weekends, holidays, and special events can affect availability and price, so a small shift of a day or two can sometimes make a big difference. Double check the date range one more time. The calendar will close automatically once both dates are selected, but you can always reopen it if you need to adjust. If you see any notes about minimum stays or restrictions, that's simply the property's policy for those dates. When your destination and dates look good, click the search button. It's typically highlighted in blue and sits to the right of the fields you've just filled out. After a moment, you'll arrive on a results page tailored to your location and travel window. That means you've successfully started the process of finding a stay. And that's it. Go to the site, choose your location, set your dates by clicking the calendar, and hit search. You're ready to explore options that fit your trip.